the LG V20 user here, and today I'm gonna give you guys my first impressions on the iJoy logo Bluetooth headphones. So I got these up there on Amazon. This is what these look like. I got them on my head. Um, I got these for 17 bucks plus prime shipping. So these are not the best headphones ever, but for the price, they're not too bad in my personal opinion. Um, these were what they look like with it out like this. Guys, they collapse and they fold them like this. Y'all guys do that. I got it in a stealth black color here, which is pretty nice. It feels really nice. It does. I mean, like I said, 17 bucks. You're not going to get the greatest quality ever. But for 17 bucks, they're not too bad. You guys have your button controls on the one side here. You guys got play pause, back and forward. You guys got a equalizer right there. I'm not sure what this M does. It also has an FM thing on there, so I haven't tried that out yet. It also has a wired connection, but I haven't tried it yet. I've been using Bluetooth strictly, and yeah, it sounds great. I can't play anything for y'all because I just can't do it. It has a memory card right. If you guys can see that right there, and you guys can put your memory card in there and listen to your music that way. So that's pretty dope. When the press got his, I had to charge them because when I did the unboxing, I tried to turn them on and I couldn't figure out how to turn them on. And there was no juice in the headphones. So I had to charge them for like 2 hours, and then I've been using them ever since. If you guys want to turn them on, right here, everything is all on one side. The Bluetooth headphones, it's all on one side, and you guys will get a blue light. See, once it will flash red and blue until it's paired to a device, and then once it's on blue, it will it means that it's paired to the device that you want it to be paired to. Bluetooth on the sound on these headphones are pretty good for what they are. Like I said, it's not the best headphones ever, but for the price, not too bad in my personal opinion. They feel great on the head. See? You guys have your controls right here. The blue light is right there. Blue light shines the whole time while you're listening to the blue light shines the whole time you have your Bluetooth microphone. Your Bluetooth headphones on and stuff like that. And so just keep that in mind. So if you're in a dark room listening to music on your Bluetooth headphones on these, you'll see a blue light. Don't freak out. It does that the whole time until you turn them off again. So do keep that in mind. But they feel pretty nice. They feel pretty nice on the head. See the comfortable headrest there. And like I said, these are comfortable for what they are. These are cheap headphones, but they're comfortable as hell. You guys can take them off, adjust them to you guys see fit. So they're very adjustable and easy to store and easy to take with you on anywhere you need to go. They also have it also feels great right here as well. Something with like a plastic here on the top right here, but it feels really nice. Not bad for 17 bucks. Like I said, it's 17 bucks. It is what it is. It's 17 bucks, so you do get what you pay for here. But for 17 bucks, they're not bad. They're not bad at all. Are they the best headphones ever? Of course not. You get what you pay for. For 17 bucks, it is what it is. The battery life on these things, they last forever. I think like you get like I don't know the exact hours you get of battery life on these, but I've only had to charge these once, and that was the first time I've used them was the first time when I first tried used them was that, and I haven't tried them since. So I got this on Thursday. Today is Sunday. They haven't been charged since. They've been charged once. And that was before I used them. So battery life on these headphones, they last forever, and they feel great on the head, in my opinion. They do wiggle just a bit. They do kind of wiggle just a bit. So you keep that in mind as well. It takes micro USB charging right there. Of course, you're not getting a Type C charging on these headphones. These are $17 headphones off of Amazon. So it is what it is. You do get what you pay for. But for $17 headphones, they're not too bad. I think they're really nice. They have them in several different colors. I got the stealth version here because personally I don't, I think it looks really nice. It just overall these headphones looks really nice. The sound on it is great. The sound on it is great, like I said. Whether if you're listening to music or whatever, the sound on these are pretty good for what they are. So there is my first impressions of the iJoy logo Bluetooth headphones. See? Yeah, it has a logo. It has the iJoy logo on both sides. I don't know if you guys can see that. It has them on both sides. There's a logo on both sides of the headphones, so that's pretty cool. So there it is, guys. My first impression of the iJoy logo Bluetooth headphones. These were $17, not too bad. It is what it is, guys. So if you guys do this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.